Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and a new video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, as you all guys know, I have mentioned in the past that I love to try out different base product, whether it is foundation, concealers, powders. I love to try out and play with them. I have a dry skin type, so I love testing out on my dry skin how it exactly sits on my skin, how it exactly looks on my dry skin. So today's video is another foundation review video, and if you guys are interested, then all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. Alright you guys, so today we are going to review a foundation from Max Factor, and it is their Miracle Pure foundation. So this is the Max Factor Skin Improving Foundation from their Miracle Pure line. This foundation is hybrid between skincare and makeup that has collagen boosting complex. This foundation is formulated with 91% skin loving ingredient including hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This also has SPF of 30 to protect your skin from sun damage. It also provides you 24 hours of hydration, and it says that it is clinically proven to care for your skin in 5 different ways, like radiance, suppleness, firmness, density and elasticity. This foundation comes in 20 different shades. Mine is in the shade Soft Toffee and it retails for rupees 1200 only. So this comes in a squeezy tube packaging like this. At the back you get the rest of the details, and you get a twistable cap like this, which I think is very secure when it comes to traveling point of view, and you get such kind of needle drop, which is I think is very amazing, and also it is very mess free. Now we are going to move into the demo because I am very excited to share my review with you guys, to share my thoughts with you guys, how exactly I feel about this foundation, because this is not the first time I am trying out this foundation. I have tried out this foundation in the past for 2-3 times, and I have been loving this foundation since then. So I thought let's just make a review video for you guys, because I'm a dry skin type and I love hydrating foundation, very lightweight kind of foundation. So let's just move into today's demo. So the current time is 13:59 at the moment, and I have finished my makeup just 5 minutes before this. So we are going to start our wear test past this time. So let's see how it wears off till the end of the day. Alright you guys, so now that you have seen the demo and the foundation application process, I would love to tell you guys that before doing my base makeup, I have used my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. Now this primer is a primer cum moisturizer which provides you hydration and nourishment, and it is not going to blur out or even out your pores in any ways. Rather than that, it is just going to provide you with extreme amount of moisturization. As I said, I have a dry skin type. I always look for hydration because that is what is needed at the end of the day to make my makeup look flawless and even toned. So I use this foundation with a sponge and a brush just to see how it applies. Well, you can also apply with your fingers because this blends very instantly into your skin and it does not leave any kind of streaky mark with whatever tool you use. So now that you have seen the demo and the application process, I would love to mention that I could see a little bit more radiance with the side that I have used a brush, and I was loving the radiance on the brush side more than the sponge side, and I was loving that radiance on my dry skin type. I really like the finish of the foundation. As I said that I am a dry skin type, and I really love very hydrating, natural looking foundation on my skin, and this foundation being a very lightweight provides you a very natural looking skin. It provides you light to medium coverage, and you can clearly build up the coverage, but it is not going to hide your acne marks or your pigmentation. You will have to do color correction wherever needed. So this foundation is just going to give you an even toned skin, and it is going to make you feel like your skin but better kind of situation. And this is the foundation that you can clearly wear for your everyday wear if you have dry skin type. As of now, this foundation is beautifully sitting on my skin, and I would love to say one more thing, that this side where I have used my bronzer, it is looking very prominent. Right hand side I have used the sponge and it is looking very natural, but on this side you can see it is looking very prominent. Okay, so I'm going to come in between to show you guys how this foundation is actually looking with the end of the day, and I will do a last check-in within 5 to 6 hours or so, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts. Hey guys, so I'm back for my in-between check-in. The current time is 5:13 p.m. and this is how my skin looks. Let me just come little close to show you guys. So I cannot see any visible difference at the moment. Just little oil on my forehead and on my nose, that is it, and the rest of my face remains the same as if I have just applied the foundation. It is like very comfortable on my skin. As I said, it feels very lightweight. I cannot feel any kind of heaviness. Now that I'm seeing little close, there are dry patches around my mouth. I'm going through hormonal changes, and for that reason there are dry patches, and the foundation has little bit cling to my dry patches, but as I said, it is not my foundation's fault. It is the hormonal changes that is going through inside my body. So that is the reason I cannot blame the foundation. So whatever skin type you have, whether it is dry, combo, sensitive, it is going to look beautiful on each and every skin type. For your reference, let me tell you guys, I'm in MAC NC 43 to 44, and if you are closer to my skin tone and looking out for a shade reference in other foundations, then I have mentioned the list of the foundation shades that I own in the comment section. You can check it out. If whatever suits you, you can pick your right shade. I forgot to mention one thing, that whatever products I used on top of this foundation, be it cream or powder, everything just blended beautifully. I did not face any problem of patchy marks or lifting my foundation. I'm really loving how this foundation is actually sitting on my skin. I will come back for my final checking to show you guys how my skin looks up close, how my skin looks at the end of the day with this Max Factor Skin Improving Miracle Pure Foundation. Hey everyone, so I'm back for my last check-in. The current time is 8:03 p.m. as you all can see, and this is the current situation of my face. You can clearly see. Let me just bring you little close so that you can make some idea. So you can see my forehead is oily, this part of my face and the T-zone is oily, and you can see my kajal has completely smudged, but it is not too bad. The foundation has completely rubbed off from my nose, which happens with each and every foundation. So talking about the dry patches, it has definitely clinged into my dry patches. You can see it has definitely clinged into my dry patches, but this is after 6 hours. Now let me show you guys that after I blot the oils, powder my face, how fresh and how wearable it looks. Alrighty, so I have got my blotting paper. Let me just blot this extra oils. Off, and this is how the blotting paper looks like. Now I have got my favorite powder from NYX. It is their Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder. You can see I've used it so much that the names have already rubbed off from the packaging. So I'm using my powder brush to powder my face. Okay, so after I've powdered my face, you can see my face is again looking fresh and mattified, and I think I can pull off this foundation for more 3-4 hours without any issues. Alright you guys, so here comes my final thought. I am really impressed with this Max Factor foundation. I think each and every skin type can pull off this foundation very well, and it is not heavy at all. Everything just looks perfect. But if you have dry patches, just remember to hydrate, moisturize your skin very well. If need be, just use a good facial scrub to remove those dead cells from your face. It is pricey if you look at the price point of view, but it comes to an affordable price when it is on sale. So if you are looking out to try out this foundation, I would totally recommend this foundation to all of you. This is a thumbs up from my end. 6 hours of wear test of this foundation is enough for me to know whether this foundation will work on my skin type or not, and I can clearly see that it is going to work on my skin type. You can clearly wear this foundation during daytime because of its SPF content, but do not forget to use your separate SPF to give you an extra protection from sun damage. Other than that, it's a very beautiful finish. It is a thick in formula, but once you blend it out, it is very lightweight. You will not even feel that you are wearing something on your face. It feels that light. So whoever is looking out to try this foundation, I would say just go and get it, guys. You will love this formulation. I loved it and you will love it too. Alright you guys, so this is it for today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative, and if you like such kind of videos, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social media handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.